Good morning, students of class 12th. Welcome to your online classes of English. Now, see, students, today I will be telling you about advanced writing skills. Under advanced writing skills, long composition, I will be telling you about report writing. Now, most of the students, what they are doing, they are mixing up report writing with article writing. Okay, so don't mix up your report writing with article writing. Report writing is somewhat different, article writing is somewhat different. Now, always remember, report writing should be written in the form of news only. Report writing should be written in the form of news only. As you are watching the news, you are listening to the news. Okay, so you are seeing that how they are giving the news in the form of news. It should be presented in the form of news, not in the form of essay writing, article writing. Now, article writing is what? Article writing is about facts. Okay, article writing is about what? It is about facts, what you are writing about, just like an essay in 4 to 5 paragraphs. That is known as article writing. Now, both you are giving article writing as well as report writing. Both you are giving it in newspaper, magazines. Okay, article writing and report writing, both you are giving in newspaper and magazine. Always remember, report writing is different, article writing is different. Don't mix up report writing with article writing. Many of the students are committing such mistakes. Okay, so report writing, always remember, should be written in the form of news. Today I will be telling you what is a report. Okay, then I will be telling you about article writing. First we will be discussing today about report writing. Now, what is report writing? Always remember, report writing should be presented in the form of news. You are reading the newspapers daily, which is coming to your homes. You are watching the news in the television, how they are presenting the news. It should be like that. Okay, in the form of news. As you are giving the news, it should be written like that. Okay, so always remember, report writing should be written in the form of news format. Always remember, report writing comes under long composition. Okay, it should be written within 120 to 150 words. Okay, it should be written within 120 to 150 word limit. Always remember, now the question paper is of 80 marks only. That's why report writing is of 6 marks only. Previously, when the question paper was of 100 marks, it used to be of 10 marks. Now it is of 6 marks only because the question paper is of 80 marks only. Format carries 1 mark, content carries 3 marks, or expression carries 2 marks. So it is marks distribution is of 6 marks only. Okay, because the question paper is of 80 marks. Okay, while writing the report, first of all, always give the title to your report writing. Always remember, we are giving the title to every composition, whether it is a short composition or a long composition. To every composition, we are giving the title. First of all, what should you give? A title to your report writing. As I told you, report writing should be written in the form of news. And one thing more, always remember, when you are giving the reports in newspaper and magazine, okay, when you are giving the news in the newspaper or magazine, always remember this should come city, okay, city, the name of your city, place, date, reporter's name or correspondent's name. Reporter's name, correspondent's name means the same thing, and the name of the newspaper agency in paragraph. In continuation it should come. Okay, in paragraph only, in continuation it should come. The name of the city. Suppose you belong to Jabalpur. Okay, place you can mention Aadhaar card. Okay, always mention the current date. Okay, the date of the examination. Reporter's name is Rahul. Suppose if I say correspondent's name, reporter's name means the same thing. Name of the newspaper agency. If I talk about Dainik Bhaskar. Okay, Dainik Bhaskar. Okay, you could say Dainik Bhaskar. Okay, so in line it should come, in paragraph it should come only. In continuation of paragraph it should come. Then you can write a report on whichever topic the topic is given to you. On that particular topic you can write a report. Now in the examination, any of the following topics, the reports could be asked to you. There are many topics. Okay, as I told you, if you are giving the news in the newspaper and magazine, so in this way you will write. But if you are writing a report for your school, then this will not come. Only, for example, if you are writing about annual function, prize distribution in your school, annual function in your school, only mention the topic and give the name. Give the name of that person who is giving the report. Only that is sufficient. When you are writing a report for your school, okay, when you are writing a report for your school, only give the title and the person's name who is reporting. And the person's name who is reporting. Bus. But when you are giving the news, when you are giving the report in the newspaper and magazine, so all these things should be mentioned. As I told you, city, place, date, reporter's name or correspondent's name means the same. Name of the newspaper agency, that means which newspaper agency you belong. Whether you belong to Dainik Bhaskar, whether you belong to Times of India, whether you belong to MP Chronicle. Okay, that means name of the newspaper should come. Always remember, report writing should be written in the form of news only. Okay, as I told you, when you are writing a report for your school, don't mention all this. Only give the title, only mention the reporter's name who is giving the report. For example, if I tell you write a report for your school magazine on annual functions day. Okay, only you will be mentioning the title annual function. Suppose the reporter's name is Rahul, mention the reporter's name Rahul by Rahul and start the paragraph in the form of news. In the form of news should be written. So this is the format of report writing. Suppose if I say you have got the question in the examination, first of all I am talking of that report writing which should be given in newspaper and magazine. Suppose your name is Mandakini. Okay, girls will assume what? Their name is Mandakini, and boys will assume what? Their name is Madan. It is given in the question. You are Mandakini / Madan, a staff reporter of the Times of India. Everything is mentioned in the question itself. That's why you should be very thorough with your question. Read the question with proper attention and be very careful while reading the question. Everything is mentioned in the question. What is the question? What the question says? You are Mandakini / Madan, a staff reporter of the Times of India, you have been asked to cover the incident of a daylight robbery. Okay, you have been asked what? To cover the incident of daylight robbery. Okay, when the inmates were present in a house, when the family members, inmates means what? The family members were present in a house. In the outskirts of Delhi, that means you are living in the outskirts of Delhi. Outskirts means what? The outer area of Delhi. Write a report in about 150 to 200 words. As I told you, report writing should be written within 150 to 200 words. It comes under long composition. It comes under long composition. Please remember, format carries 1 mark, content carries 3 marks, expression carries 2 marks. Now, this is the topic given to you about what? About daylight robbery. You have to write a report on that. Now see, first of all, always give the title to your report writing. A daylight robbery. You are given the title. Then what you will be mentioning? City, place. You belong to which city? That means you belong to New Delhi. If any colony you are living, you can mention that also in place. Okay. If you are living in Nehru Nagar, mention Nehru Nagar. City New Delhi, Nehru Nagar, comma, date, always put the current date of the examination, date of the examination. Then what should come? Reporter's name. Okay. So girls will mention what? Mandakini, and boys will mention what? Madan. Everything is given in the question. You will mention that in the reporter's name. Okay, girls will mention Mandakini, boys will mention Madan. Okay, that means you belong to which newspaper agency? You belong to Times of India. It is also given in the question itself. The Times of India News Service. The Times of India News Service. Continuation in paragraph only. News Service. Okay, News Service Delhi. Now, in continuation, you are writing how the language should be written in the form of news. It should be written in the form of news only. Delhi is no more a safe city once. Delhi is no more a safe city once. It used to be, previously it used to be safe city, but now it is not a safe city at all. Okay. Daylight robberies have become a part of cultural life of the city. Daylight robbery has now become the cultural life of the city. Yesterday, a daring daylight robbery was committed in Anand. Yesterday, what we have seen, that means the daylight robbery was committed in Anand on the outskirts of the city. That means it was situated on the outskirts of the city. That's why daylight robbery took place very easily over there. It was 11:30 a.m. It was 11:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay. The robbers broke open a side door and entered the house. The robbers broke the side door and they entered the house. They asked for the keys of the cupboards. They asked for the keys of the cupboards and boxes. They had revolvers and daggers in their hands. They had what? Revolvers and daggers in their hands. Women and children became dumb with fear. Especially women and children became very dumb with fear when robbers entered the house. Okay? Their hands were tied and mouths were gagged. Their hands were tied and their mouths were gagged. Okay, we are writing in the form of news as we are presenting the news. Okay, the robbers finished their jobs within minutes. Within minutes, the robbers finished their job. They decamped with all the jewelry and about 50,000 rupees. Okay, they decamped means what? They went silently. They went in a very silent way. Okay, they decamped means what? They went away in a very silent way. They decamped with all the jewelry and about 50,000 rupees in cash. In paragraph you are writing, okay, before running away, they locked the inmates in a room. Before running away from there, they locked the family members. Okay, inmates means the persons who were present inside the house. They are known as inmates. Okay, inmates in a room. The neighbors rushed to help only when they heard their cries. The neighbors rushed to help only when they heard their cries. As usual, the police appeared on the site after more than 2 hours. That means police came to the site, to the actual situation spot after 2 hours. Often we are seeing police comes very late to the situation to handle the situation. They surveyed the site and lifted some fingerprints. They surveyed the site and lifted some fingerprints. Such incidents have become quite common in the area. Now, such incidents have become quite common in the area. Okay, it is often taking place nowadays. No one believes that the lost valuables and money would be recovered. No one believes that the lost valuables and money would be recovered. Okay, the people seem to have lost faith in the local police. Nobody is believing, nobody would believe that the lost thing could be recovered. Now the people are losing what? The people are losing faith in their local police. So this is the way how the report should be presented. Okay, in the form of news, as you are reading the news, as you are viewing the news. Okay, it should be written in the form of news only. Now the second type I will read you for all of you. If I will talk about school magazine, if you are giving a report in a school magazine, always remember you will not be mentioning all this. Only the title should be given and the reporter's name should come. Okay, for suppose if I am talking about annual day celebration in your school, okay, only you will write by Rahul. Okay, annual day celebration by Rahul. Now, how should you present straight away in a paragraph? Okay, but it should be written in the form of news, as you are giving the news. Okay, the annual day celebration of our school drew a special attention of everyone this year because of the visit of the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi. The school has distinguished itself as one of the leading institutes in academics, because our school was the leading institute in academics, and we have invited our guest. Okay, who is the guest? Okay, he or she is the Chief Minister. As well as sports, we have done in academics also, and we have done in sports also. Okay, we have given very good results. Preparation started a week before. Preparation started 1 week before. The whole campus was given a new look. The whole campus of ours given a new look. The principal and staff received the chief guest at the gate on her arrival. Okay, on his or her arrival, the principal and the senior staff received the chief guest from the gate. She was garlanded and introduced to the members of the staff by the principal. Okay, she was garlanded and she was introduced to the member of the staff by the principal. A guard of honor was given to the chief minister by the NCC cadets of the school. The guard of honor was given to the chief minister by whom? By NCC cadets of the school. In the form of news you are writing. In the form of report, in form of news format, you are writing. He was escorted. Escorted means what? Accompanied. Escorted means what? Accompanied. He was accompanied with various people. Escorted to the hall by principal. He received standing aviation by all the students. He received an standing aviation. Everybody stood up and clapped for him and gathered there. The principal read out the annual report highlighting the achievements of the school. The principal read out the annual report highlighting the achievements of the school, okay, in academics and sports, because this year we have done very well in our academics and in sports also. The chief guest gave away the prizes to the meritorious students, and the chief guest has given the prizes to the meritorious students. That means students who stood first. That means the chief guest gave away the prizes to them, and distinguished sportsmen also. Group songs and folk songs presented by the students. Group songs and folk songs were presented by the students, kept everyone spellbound. All these programs kept everyone spellbound. Spellbound means what? Everybody was astonished. Everybody was surprised. Okay. He gave a short but inspiring speech. He gave a very short but inspiring speech, urging means what? Requesting the students to work hard. Telling the students to work hard, they should be working hard and rise high in life, and they should be rising high up in their career. Okay, the principal thanked the chief minister. The principal thanked the chief minister for his visit. Okay, the function ended with the singing of the national anthem. At last, the function ended with the singing of the national anthem. Always remember, when you are writing the report for your school, it should be presented in this way. Always remember, the title should be given, annual day celebration, okay, and reporter's name should only come. By whom? By Rahul. Okay. If any reporter's name is mentioned in the question, that name you will be mentioning. Always remember that. Okay. So report writing should be done in this way. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you all. In the next class, I will be telling you about article writing, how the article writing should be written. Thank you. God bless you all.